Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin.
It's me, Sarah Grant, and today's video is going to be a school supplies haul. I got all my stuff from Target. So if you want to see me shopping for it, it'll be right here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's just get right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I got this like reflective, like you see that rainbow, black binder, and it just has 3 rings in it and they're like circled. And I got this gray binder and it has like D rings, so they're like a D shape. And then I got this white binder and it also has D rings in it. The next thing I got are these 100 sheets of lined paper. They're college ruled. I got 100 sheets, 200 sheets, and 100 sheets. You know, we gotta write down those notes, so this was necessary. Then for my binders, I got 4 packs of 5 dividers, so that should be enough. I got a lot of my stuff from 5 Star because I think I'm trendy or something, but I got this white folder from 5 Star, another white folder from 5 Star, but it has like holes in it, a black folder from 5 Star, and another gray folder from 5 Star. 5 Star, please sponsor me. I just realized this whole time I've been looking in the viewfinder. So the next things I got are these 5 Star notebooks. I got this black one, I got this chrome one from Yobi, I got this white 5 Star one, and I got this 5 Star college ruled notebook. This is for math. It has college ruled note paper, and then it has graph paper, and it has like these little folder type things. And then I got this really pretty blue and gold planner that just says 2018 through 19 on the front. Then I just got this like thing for my books to put in my locker. It's like marble. It's really pretty. I got it from Forever 21. Now for like the more little things, I got these 2 ruled index cards, and I had 3, but I used it for my summer assignments. I got the most basic Paper Mate mechanical pencils. These are actually really good though. You have to know not to give these to anyone because you will never see that again. I always gave these out for some reason and I would just never see them again. Then I got some more lead for them so I don't like run out on the first day. Then I got these Sharpie highlighters. They're like really fine. Then I got this pack of colorful pens. I don't usually get colorful pens, but I was just in that mood, that like unicorn rainbow mood. Then for actual writing, I got these G2 Pilot Gel fine point pens. Then for the people that like always ask for like pencils, like,
can I get a pencil?
And I'll be like,
yeah, you can get a pencil.
Like I always give out pencils. So I got this big mechanical pencils. And then I got this whiteout because everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. And then I got these 2 up and up erasers. And then I got this really cool pink flexible ruler. Then I picked up this really cute pencil case. It's like clear, but it's also pink. Like she's cute or whatever. I decided to hop on the bandwagon and I got this Falaha Raven Kanken backpack. It's like in this dusty gray color. I heard it holds a lot of stuff. Do you mind?
Hi, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kenya Grant. I'll put it on the screen right here. Or she'll put it on the screen right there.
I decided to hop on the back. Shush. What? Is that a little boy? This is my backpack for the year. And that is it for my supplies haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
What'd you say like that? Bye!
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.